There was a time in my life when someone treated me unjustly. I was in primary 4 at that time. Our class teacher had chosen a girl called Solin to collect money from the class. This donation money was to be used for an excursion to a chocolate factory. We were supposed to give $2 each to her. As the date for the excursion drew closer, most of my classmates had already submitted the donation money except for a small number that included me. One day, during science class, the science teacher had been called away. So we had quite a bit of time to ourselves. Everybody was busy talking to each other. I suddenly remembered about the $2 and so quickly went to Solin's desk to hand over the money. Solin was busy reading a comic book. She briefly looked at me, took the money, pocketed the money, said thanks, and resumed reading her comic book. Normally, whenever Solin received money from any of her classmates, she would take out her list containing names of all her classmates and write down the amount collected next to the name. But she did not do likewise in my case. However, I shrugged it off thinking that she would do it later. The days rolled by. It was just 2 more days before the excursion when our class teacher Mrs. Sandra called me aside and inquired why I had not paid up yet. Solin was standing next to her. Imagine my shock when I heard that. I quickly turned to Solin and reminded her that I had paid the amount just 4 days before, during the science period. To my anger, Solin denied ever receiving any money from me. Outraged, I kept insisting that I had already handed the amount during science class and that she had been reading a comic book at that time. Solin's face turned red at that. She glared at me furiously and continually denied everything. In the end I had to pay the amount again since the teacher too did not believe me, for she liked Solin immensely as she always did well in her exams. Until now, I still do not know if Solin had purposely lied or if she had genuinely forgotten about the donation I had submitted.